If you're looking for a quick and easy soup to make, especially when you're not feeling good, then you're definitely going to want to keep watching. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, today I have a soup for you, and I'm telling you, it cannot get any easier than this. Today we're going to make wonton soup. There is very few ingredients. We are going to use the pre-made wontons so you don't have to make them. And this soup is perfect when you are short on time, or the kids have been playing out in the snow and you just need something that's going to warm them up really quick. Or if you're not feeling well. When I'm not feeling well, wonton soup is one of the soups I really enjoy eating or sipping on when I'm not feeling well. So I'm going to go ahead, go over all the ingredients, and we're going to go ahead and get started on this soup. All right, my friends, so I have two 32-ounce containers of chicken broth. The recipe did call for Progresso Classic chicken broth, but I'm too cheap and I bought the Food Lion brand. It may not taste as perfect as the recipe's calling for, but I went with that. I have these Korean-style mini wontons. They're pork and vegetable dumpling. It's by Bibigo, B-I-B-I-G-O. I found these at Food Lion in the frozen section where like their chicken nuggets and stuff is. I did have a hard time and I finally did find them. I have the better than bouillon roasted chicken base, and then I cut up just a bunch of scallions, and I left a few like longer ones just for garnish. And friends, that's it. That is all the ingredients. So let's get ahead and put this together. So friends, were you as surprised as I was with the little bit of ingredients that goes into this? I just do want to apologize for the lighting. I am making this later in the evening and the sun comes in the back of my house, so I apologize for the lighting. So let's go ahead and make our soup real quick. All right, my friends, we're going to start by putting our chicken broth in our pot. All right, then we're going to go ahead and add in 2 tablespoons of the better than bouillon chicken. Oop, I knew I was going to spatter that on me. Are you surprised? I always do. There's some big teaspoons, huh? Tablespoons, I mean. All right, probably help if I turned this on. Oh, lordy, lordy. All right, let's go ahead and stir this real quick. And then, like I said, I chopped up a bunch of scallions. They said just a bunch, and I just bought a bag and chopped them up and saved a few just for garnish. So we're going to add this in. And it said just to bring it to a boil and let it go for a few minutes, and then we'll add our wontons. So we'll go ahead and let this come to a boil. Alright, my friends, we are boiling. So I have my bag of mini wontons. This is a 24-ounce bag. I'm going to go ahead and put those in real quick. Okay. And then we're going to let this boil for about 3 to 4 minutes. And then we should be good to go. It smells good. Alright, my friends. I think we are done, and it smells absolutely delicious. We're going to go ahead and turn it off. Just let it cool down a tiny bit, and then we will do our taste test. Alright, my friends. I will put, oh, this is hot, close-up picture for you. It smells delicious. Almost dropped the bowl. It's very hot. I'm going to cut one of these dumplings in half. Even though they're mini, they're still too big for my mouth. I might be loud, but I do have a small mouth. All right, here we go. It does smell good. Friends. It doesn't taste like the wonton soup that you get at the restaurant, honestly, but it's got a good flavor. I like it. Yeah. I like it. I do like it. I do find, and it's not that it bothers me, I think the better than the bouillon is a little bit saltier. So do not add salt to this. A little bit of pepper would be great, but don't add salt until you taste it. I don't think it's too salty. I think it's just right, but I think if you add salt, it'll definitely be too salty. But a little bit of pepper on this, and I'm gonna enjoy this right now, honestly. It is really, really good. Doesn't taste like I buy when I go to the Chinese restaurant, but it is awesome. Friends, this is really, really good. If you are looking for something to throw together really quick, or if you're not feeling well and you need to eat something, this is the perfect soup. It's absolutely delicious. So friends, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. And also, please go check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Now, I'm gonna go enjoy my soup.